How to fix UC browser speeding up your download problem. Guys, I will teach you how to fix UC browser speeding up download problem. So for this you have to watch the video till the end. I will show you some tips to fix your speeding up problem in UC browser. So dear friends, first of all, make sure that your internet connection is all good and well, and it's on a speed mode. And then the second step is you have to go to your Play Store and then search for UC browser, and then just check it. Here is it. See, uh, if you find any update to update your browser UC browser, then you have to update it. So here is it. I didn't update it, so my speeding problem is on the browser. So just update it, and then your problem will be solved. And if the problem doesn't work, then just go back to your mobile settings, go back to your phone settings, just go to your phone settings, and then go to install apps or app manager or app management. I have app management. I will go here now. You have to go to UC browser. Just click on hide system processes, go to UC browser. You have to search here UC browser. It will be on the last side because it's start from U. Sorry, here is it. Click on UC browser, and then guys, you can see here storage uses. Just click on storage uses, and then you have to clear all the data here. Just click on clear all data and clear it. And guys, before doing that, I want to make you clear that your account will be log out from UC browser, and your download list will be no more, so it will be clean. So guys, please keep that in mind, and then go back, and you can see here app permission, permission. So you have to allow all this permission, you have to allow all this, and then you can go back, and then just take your internet connection here, and then your problem will be fixed. This is how you can fix your UC browser speeding up your download problem. Thanks for watching.